Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can transfer your WeChat data from your old phone to your new phone. It is just a really easy process that I'm going to show you on this video, so still stay tuned till the end of our video. First of all, open up your WeChat and log into your account on your old phone. On your old phone, you can see all the data that you have done on your WeChat, like your chats, your contacts, and many more. Now, simply to transfer all of the data, you just have to log in into your WeChat account on your new phone. So download WeChat on your new phone and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you'll be able to see that all your data are still intact even on the new phone. That's how you can transfer your old data of your WeChat from your old phone to your new phone. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.